Welcome to Yeeflow. Yeeflow is a SaaS BPM and application build platform where you can create unlimited forms, workflows, and applications. Before getting started, please allow me to explain the difference between the forms and applications. A form is mostly like the first interface where allow users to start a business process. Like for users in your organization to create the leave request, an expense claim request, or submit a purchase order. You need to create a submission form for users to input the detailed information. Once the form is submitted, the associated workflow will start with a set of predefined processes. The task owner will see the related task forms and take actions. You can then create the customer reports for each process to track the records and do more analysis, etc. An application is created for particular business needs with a series of structured data, components, and business logics. For example, you can create a project tracker app to manage your project, a contract management app to manage all your contracts including the files and related data, or an HR management app to manage the employee-related information, etc. An application can include different types of components like data list, document library, and dashboards. And each type of components includes managed configuration settings, like each content list can include multiple data views. For some business scenario, you might need to combine the capabilities of both. For example, you have the HR management application, which allows the users in HR department to manage their employee-related information. You might don't want to give the access permission to other users, then you can create different forms like leave request form, new employee onboarding form, or the overtime request form. And you give the access permission to all users of your organization to allow them to submit the request. The form can refer data from the HR management app, and after the requests are finally approved, the data can be sent to the application. As one single platform, all your data can be easily associated and integrated. Then you can translate them into one site that drives your business. Yeeflow is such a platform which can give you the best flexible all in one place. Users can use Yeeflow from different places and devices, like from web browser, Microsoft Teams, or download our mobile apps. And now it's time to enjoy the flexible and try it out yourself. Get your ideas, build with drag and drop interface, and share with your teammates.